Today I'm going to show you how I built this boost converter using the UC3845 IC chip. Here's the schematic. I didn't use the exact values as the breadboard, but this is the basic concept of it. And as you can see, I didn't use pin 1 there. Now let me show you how it works. So as you see, I have 10 volts going in, so that's the voltage from the power supply, and basically it's just going to induce a current through the inductor. And then there's a diode right here. Once you basically switch off the switch, which is my transistor here, it pushes all the current into the capacitor, and it does this really fast. So that's the basic concept of a boost converter. And so here we go. I'm gonna press the button. You're gonna see these values go up right now really quick. There you go. See, it goes up, goes up, goes up. Alright, I'm gonna stop there. And then basically that's my boost converter. Here, let's discharge the capacitor right now. I have a very high watt resistor here. You see some sparks right now. There you go. And let me just switch off, remove this wire here so I could show you what frequency I'm running it on. Push this button. So I have it running 41.7 kilohertz at 10 volts. That's what's going on here. So that's it for the video today. It's very easy. You should try it yourself if you have the right components and the right experience to do it. It's pretty easy. Just note, don't touch the capacitor, okay? You gotta remember to discharge it.